team as well as our national team. We really take pride in, and we are honored to be actually praised and being sent off with your blessings and with the stakeholders involved and with your colleagues, all the support and help so far. Ladies and gentlemen, as Ms. Angalo explicitly mentioned it, that please, let's go do and make Namibia proud, because without the Namibia Sports Commission, this would have never been actually possible. And also getting the recognition that each and every one of you deserves here today. But the fair play, honor, and we should actually at the end show that there's integrity and dignity in what we stand for, especially representing Namibia at the end. And I would also like to say thank you to the media that is here today. It really means a lot, because without you, we will not actually get the appropriate representation in the media to show people that we as Q Sports are really growing, and we will definitely grow more. And we believe that each and every one of you are here today because you want to be here, and you've definitely earned it. So thank you again to all of you, and to Ms. Angalo again. Thank you.